Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove black bars on stretched resolution. Let's get started. First, open the display settings on your computer by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting Display Settings. Next, look for the resolution settings. If your screen resolution is set too high or too low, it may cause black bars to appear. Set the resolution to the recommended resolution for your display. If you're using a video player, check its settings. For example, in VLC, you can adjust the aspect ratio by going to Video and selecting the aspect ratio that fits your screen. Finally, if the issue persists, check your graphics card control panel to ensure the scaling settings are set correctly and that the video fits the screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.